Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 3. I am in a bit of a hurry. I think I talked about this yesterday. I am headed to a boat tour where I'm going to 3 different islands and shit. I don't know. We'll see. But I have a half hour to get there and a 28-minute walk, and Google speed walks. I don't know how they determine what time they're gonna have, but so that's going on. And this morning I thought I got on the wrong train, so I was like freaking out. I was like, no. And on the whole train ride I was like, okay, don't freak out, don't freak out, don't freak out, it's okay. And I didn't need to freak out because it was okay, because I know what I'm doing with public transportation now that I've lived in Europe for a year, practically 11 months. That's a year, right? But yeah, the weather is beautiful today. There's a nice breeze. It's not too sunny at the moment. I need to get a pizza today. I need to get pasta today. I mean, I still have all day tomorrow as well, but should actually have as long as I want, honestly, because I'm not going to France now. So maybe I'll just live here. Find me a job in the ice cream shop or something, put on 100 pounds and just serve ice cream every day. Anyways, I will see you guys at the boat stop. So I should say great news, bad news. Great news is I made it to the boat place, so I didn't miss my tour like I was freaking out about. Bad news is I lied about the heat. It is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. DHL, Italian style. How cute! So basically, everywhere I'm at today is gonna be like this. I am doing a self photo shoot because I got this tripod. Say yes. And I love myself, and I don't give a fuck what other people think. So I'm just out here living my best life. You feel me? Okay. So yeah, we've got about 30 minutes left on this. Sorry, I'm like cutting out. 30 minutes left on this island, and then after that we are headed to the next one. Super excited because one of them, the fisherman's town that we're going to, is apparently smothered in beautiful buildings just like this one. Fuck yes. Say bye to Island 1. Can you see how pretty this place is? It's absolutely stunning. I'm loving it here. The buildings are so pretty in color, like pink, blue, orange, yellow, purple. They literally have it all. And they're bright and they're fun and they fit me and they're just like me. And I even have outfits that are blending into the colors of the walls. Can you believe that? I cannot, and I'm addicted to it. This is the kind of place that I need. Like, I want a bright pink house with bright blue shutters. How amazing is that? It's a little story time for you. So I'm just out here living my best life, you know, with my tripod, and I'm just vlogging and doing like a whole photo shoot. And I'm slowly, everybody thinks I'm like this most confident person that's ever walked the planet, but no. I hate when people look at me when I'm trying to take photos. It makes me like want to crawl up in the ball and like hide in a turtle shell. I freaking hate it. I get so self-conscious. But I was doing my thing. I'm like working on like not letting that be a problem. And these streets are beautiful, and I'm in like a super touristy place, which makes it really easy because basically everyone's being a tourist and like taking a bunch of photos and stuff. So I'm like slowly growing my confidence, right? So anyways, I'm doing my thing, right? And this couple walks by that were on like the boat tour together. And they stop and they start watching me. I'm like, fuck. But they were basically coming to tell me like, hey bitch, you're fucking working it. How cool are you? You've got all your stuff and you're just like a boss babe. And I was like, I am a boss babe. Yes. How beautiful is this, guys? I love Italy. I love Italy. I love Italy. I love Italy. It is so humid, so hot. So my plan is to go back to the city center, find a restaurant, drink, eat. Pizza, lasagna, I don't know. I'm gonna decide. I think both. Like lasagna, pizza to go. What would you guys choose? Pizza or lasagna? Okay guys, so as you know, I dance a lot, and all the time actually, everywhere, doesn't matter where or when. I was on the boat today, and I was just like grooving, you know? And everybody was looking at me like, what is this girl doing? I'm dancing, that's what. It's always time for a dance party. There is never a wrong time for a dance party. Never. They have Budweiser in Venice. I guess it really is the king of beers. Alright, time to see if lasagna in Italy is as good as I'm hoping. Here goes nothing. Oh, it is good as anticipated. Oh. You know, I hate lasagna in restaurants back in the States. It always tastes like shitty Chef Boyardee. This, oh my god, look at this. Who needs a man when you have lasagna in Italy? Not me. I am tired, guys. It's been a long day. A long, very hot day. So I'm headed back to my hostel early tonight. I might grab a pizza before I go back. I've got a bottle of wine. I'm just gonna like chill in the common area, edit a video, watch some Netflix. Just throw my feet up and relax, because I know that when I get back to Spain, there's gonna be a freaking lockdown. And I need to relax now as much as I can, because as soon as I get back to Spain, I know I'm gonna be working. I'm gonna be working like crazy. So, yeah. Okay. I'm just in my hostel right now. I'm just chillaxing, having a little wine and some pizza, and watching my favorite podcast on YouTube. So, that was my day 3 in Italy. I hope you guys enjoyed day 3 with me. I absolutely loved it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye, Felicia.